Good afternoon, guys. Doing a case of 2023 freshly in today Tier 1 baseball case break. In today's break, we got Bob G with 2 spots. Got the Braves, Cubs, Rays, Pirates, A's, and Rockies. Scott, 2 spots. Royals, Orioles, Yankees, Nats, Mariners, Twins. Bob M, 2 spots. Phillies, Cardinals, Astros, Angels, Mets, and Reds. Lance got the Rangers, Blue Jays, and Brewers. Bob S got the Marlins, White Sox, and D-backs. I see somebody just posted up, came up my screen that Scott killed it. Kind of funny. John's first time in this break, but John's been a long-time customer for years coming in, but first break of us. Got the Tigers, Giants, and Padres. And Dean got the Indians, Dodgers, and Red Sox. And if I didn't say Bob S.'s name because I got distracted, he had the Marlins, White Sox, and D-backs for Bob S. All right. Let's get into this. Ain't a whole lot of cards in this case, but we're going to get through it. All right. Box number 1. That's a nice one. Got a nice Julio Rodriguez at a 199 for the Mariners. Peralta for the Brewers. And Lucas Giolito relic for the White Sox. Pack 1. All right, Julio was nice to start us off. In fact, I'll make sure pop Julio right in. All right, box number 2. We got Andre Dawson with the Cubs. We got Madris with the Astros and Glasnow relic for the Rays. So that pack sucked. Box number 3. Alright, we got Castillo for the Mariners. Smith and Jigba for the Pirates. This pack's got the extra hit. Bieber for the Indians. Tier 1 talent. I think that's like one a case or something. And Mike Piazza for the Mets. Relic. Alright. Box number 4. Feels like a heavy pack as well. I guess it got an extra hit in it. Alright. We got Pena for the Astros at a 25. That's that like copper ink autograph. Killian for the Cubs. Will Myers for the Padres relic, and a Christian Yelich oversized jumbo patch at a 10. Prodigious patches relic at a 10. For the Brewers. We had the Brewers. Brewers was Lance. Alright. This pack does not have a 4 card in it. That's for sure. Ooh, that's a big one right there. Number 1 of 50. I think it's his jersey number 1. Nah, he was 51. It's his jersey number. Ichiro, baby. Ichiro Suzuki autograph. It's got some type of like cool pattern. Next level autograph for the Mariners for Ichiro, baby. I think that's the first Ichiro autograph I've ever pulled. It's kind of awesome. Ichiro. Then we got Bubba Thompson for the Rangers and Jazz Chisholm for the Marlins bat relic. Wow, 2 big Mariners hits. The Mariners was the spot to get in this break. Who would have thunked it? Alright, box number 6. For the Orioles, Cedric Mullins. For the Rockies, Brian Serven. And for the Rockies, Charlie Blackmon. Relic. Alright, box 7. Pack feels a little thicker. There's a nice autograph. Vladimir at a 10 for the Blue Jays. Like that black, the silver ink at a 10 for Vladimir for the Blue Jays. We got Davis Martin for the White Sox. Correa relic at a 10, out of 400 for the Twins, and Rhys Hoskins for those poor Phillies at a 400. For the Phillies, we got Bryson Stott autograph. For the A's, we got Mark Mulder out of 25. And for the for the Padres, we got a Manny Machado out of 400 relic. For those Padres. Box 8, yeah, box 8. That pack feels a little light, like the redemption light. Yeah, it's got all the hits. There's a 101 for the Padres. Joe Musgrove for the Padres. 101. Joe Musgrove. Joe Musgrove. And then we got Charles LeBlanc for the Marlins and Alex Bregman for the Astros. Relic card. Box 10. Ooh, there's a good one. Adley Rutschman autograph. I love it. Scott raking it in with the Mariners and the Orioles. Whew. Adley autograph. Bang. Tim Anderson for the White Sox and Pudge Rodriguez for the Rangers relic. Box 11. This pack feels heavy. Yep, pretty sure there's an extra hit in that pack. Big thick relic in the back. We got for the A's, Esteury Ruiz. For the Tigers, we got Austin Meadows. Oh, there. For the Pirates, Ke'Bryan Hayes. And then there's another good hit. Who got the Nationals? Jesus, Scott's killing it. Juan Soto Button out of 5. Uniform button relic for the... He's in a Nationals uniform, not a Padres, and it says Washington Nationals. So sorry, John. I know it's Soto, but it's a Nationals card. That's nice. Don't have a sleeve big enough for that one. Box number 12. Final box. We got a Jeff Bagwell Astros autograph out of 75. And we got a Buddy Kennedy D-backs autograph and a Andres Gimenez Indians relic. So that's it for that. So highlights again are a Juan Soto Button out of 5. An Adley Rutschman. A Joe Musgrove 101. A Vladimir Guerrero Jr. at a 10, a Ichiro at a 50, and a Julio Rodriguez at a 199. So, pretty solid case considering. I mean, obviously I don't think there's $3,000 worth of value in this case, but Scott definitely is the winner. I know somebody called it out before we even started this break that he killed it, but yep, he got the teams. Who would have thunked it? So, all right, guys, thanks a lot for being a part of the break. Enjoy watching the video and give me some likes. Thanks.